Best email marketing platforms. When you want to promote your business, you need email marketing. These solutions are a pleasure to use, very adaptable to your own needs, and the experience is great. Plus, you have the opportunity to acquire new leads and customers, which is always helpful and convenient. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Number 5. AWeber. AWeber has a 30-day trial, unlimited email sends, they can merge or add lists free of charge. You also have open rate and deliverability rate tracking and reporting. Number 4. Oracle Bronto. Bronto doesn't have a trial, unfortunately, but it does have a good migration tool. You can track the revenue per email as well as performance per device, which makes it pretty powerful and convenient at the same time. Number 3. ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign automates the email process. It has free migration, split automation, and automation maps. It even has geo-tracking and event tracking. Number 2. Benchmark. With Benchmark, you can create email templates, and they do have a limit for email sends. And you have a behavior-based email follow-up solution. And number 1. Constant Contact. With their help, you can upload contacts from other solutions. You can also track sharing, click-through, and openings, as well as plan your marketing calendar. Overall, these email marketing solutions are good, reliable, and they help you get the job done very well. Test them out today and you'll find them a pleasure to work with. Since they have great customization, that also makes them very good. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to us and turn on those notifications.